It's 10 degrees. We are in front of Jaipur International Airport on our journey back home. (1920) ये रहा 21. The entrance to Encom Lounge. While we are having layover time at Hyderabad, we'll just quickly have some breakfast. Pesarattu is like one mixed dal dosa kind of preparation. इसको ख़त्म करके वो लाइव बनाता है वहाँ पे, बनवा के उसको लाके खाएंगे. So this is it, folks. 10 days of rigorous Rajasthan exploration, all thanks to this guy. Thank you very much, guy. मेरे बिना ये हो ही नहीं सकता था. ये मैं ऑन कैमरा डिक्लेयर ही कर देता हूँ. It's 10 degrees, 3:23 on the clock. We are in front of Jaipur International Airport on our journey back home. Welcome back to the new vlog, friends. Hope you all are doing good. We just stopped here for a cup of tea before going inside. Our flight is at 5:55. There's still about 2.5 hours for us to go in. So it is suggested we have some tea and then go inside instead of directly getting in, because of course everyone is aware of the prices of eatables within the airport. Whatever be the airport that is, it will definitely be jacked up. So some fresh hot poha and tea being prepared for many people who come to this vicinity. Most of them look like they work in the airport, or those vests look like they work in security. Maybe people who work around here come to the Stapri for an early morning kappa before beginning their day, before beginning their week, year, month or whatever. This season is like that. You need to keep yourself warm. My lips became dry on the way here. So I got my chai. Cheers भाई साहब, साल की पहली चाय. I feel alive. बीकानेर, सांगानेर, और ये है ऑफ कोर्स ये जयपुर है. तुम्हारे सड़े हुए पीछे शुरू हो गए. लाडनू, और वो है झुंझुनू डिपो की बस. We have RSRTC buses starting direct from Jaipur airport. Not bad. And this is the departures terminal of Jaipur International Airport. ये लॉन्च है तो सही. चले. So this is our flight to Hyderabad, and from there we'll take a connecting flight to Bangalore. A different connecting flight. We'll be hopping flights. We couldn't get a direct flight. Everything was full. It's freezing out here. कितना 11 degree है? No. So there's a Salam Air flight bound for Muscat over there. I mean, I'm not even able to record anything. It's so, my hands are freezing.
Which is through Aero Bridge, and we as always came by a BMTC.
ये भी BMTC है.
We came by BMTC to catch a
BMTC. पैक्ड लग रही है भाई.
मैं बोला था ना फ्लाइट से.
This is going to Hyderabad and onwards to Coimbatore. कैसा लग रहा है पहला यात्रा?
ठंडा लग रहा है.
We have reached Rajiv Gandhi International Airport and we are looking for वो कौन सा लॉन्च था वो? Enclave launch. It is somewhere near gate number 21 and our man is pissed off that he is not able to get to it quickly. 1920 ये रहा 21. The entrance to Encom launch.
क्योंकि भरा हुआ है.
So we are in this lounge called Encom. Just got some breakfast for us. Got myself some idlis, bonda, upma, sambar and chutney. I think Hitesh has got pretty much the same. और कुछ था वहाँ पे? पेसरेटू भी था. पेसरेटू ट्राई करना है.
What is pesarattu?
पेसरेटू is like one mixed दाल डोसा kind of preparation. इसको ख़त्म करके वो लाइव बनाता है वहाँ पे. बनवा के उसको लाके खाएंगे. While we are having layover time at Hyderabad, we'll just quickly have some breakfast. And also I got myself a ginger tea. तो बाद में जाएगा ना? चाय के लिए?
नहीं पीऊँगा.
क्यों? हितेश सेइंग नो टू चाय.
इसकी चाय बेकार होती है.
अच्छी है, ट्राई कर लो. Food was okay. Idli was good. Upma was good. Sambar is nice. The chutney was a bit, how do I put it? It looks like as if it was prepared not fresh but slightly old. Gave me that sort of sour taste. And bondas though they were slightly hot, but by the time we come here and eat it, it's becoming cold. Now let's check out that pesarattu, see how it is. Before that, I need to finish my ginger tea. शुक्र है चाय तो तुम्हारा गरम ही है. I've got myself a plain pesarattu with some gunpowder, that is your idli pudi as they call it, and also this is another lentil powder. It's like your it's one of those side dishes which is popularly had with either dosa or idli. So this is a plain pesarattu. Hitesh has ordered a masala pesarattu with potato stuffing. So let's see how it is. I'll taste mine and let you know. It's crispy. It took some time. The chef was away. Really good. Especially with the gunpowder and a dash of ghee. It's awesome. This sir has got himself a cold drink. Miranda. सुबह सुबह बिना दांत धोए भी इसको मिरांडा पिला दो, पी लेगा। हाउ इज द पेसरटो?
पहली बार खा रहा हूँ।
जो तुम्हारा मतलब कैसा है? तुम तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस नहीं रखे हुए थे, क्या रखे हुए थे? तो बताओ टेस्ट कैसा है?
कुछ खा रहा हूँ बस।
तुमको ऐसा कुछ लग नहीं रहा कि नया कुछ खा रहे हो या वो? डज इट टेस्ट लाइक डोसा? नो राइट, दैट्स द पॉइंट। इसमें इसके साथ चावल के साथ साथ बहुत सारे दाल वगैरह भी डालते हैं इसमें। खासकर वो जो ग्रीन ग्राम होता है ना, वो डलता है इसमें बहुत।
क्यों डालते हैं?
इस डिश के लिए इसका वो इंग्रेडिएंट है ग्रीन ग्राम।
उनको डोसा भी
चलता है लेकिन बता रहा हूँ। आवर फ्लाइट इज एट गेट 120 एंड वी वेर नियर 22। बेचारा हितेश आज बहुत चल रहा है। पीस मेंटेन करके रखना पड़ेगा वरना जेल हो जाएगी। चलो तुम्हारे लिए वॉक लेटर पे चलते हैं। चलो, इसीलिए बोलते हैं फ्री में मिलता है मतलब डोंट ठूसो।
आपने आंटी को बता दिया मैं 3 राउंड कर चुका हूँ।
हाँ,
वेरी बैड।
नहीं, मैं ये नहीं बोला कि तुम 3 राउंड कर चुके हो। मैंने ये बोला तुम तीसरे राउंड कर रहे हो। So I called to inform my mother of our position, and in the midst of it, Hitesh went for a round of English breakfast. Just had a little fun at his expense, as usual. अगर पैदल ही जाना था तो साइड से निकल लेते। Gadget Studio. A hell lot of fancy mobile covers. Lots and lots of shops. Indigo boarding to Varanasi. Gate number 120. I need to go there. ध्यान से, यहीं पे डाइटिंग चालू ना हो जाए तुम्हारा।
अरे ये बहुत स्लो चलती है यार।
हाँ, this section of RGIA still seems to be under development. Lot of new shops coming soon. Ullavacharu biryani, KFC, and what is this? Some burger shop. WH Smith. बीकानेर वाला आ रहा है भाई। हैदराबाद एयरपोर्ट अवार्डेड ASQ अवार्ड फॉर बेस्ट एयरपोर्ट इन द वर्ल्ड फॉर कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस। क्या इन बंद दुकानों के साथ?
हाँ,
दैट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल डेकोरेशन। सो वी हैव टू गो डाउन 101 to 124 डाउनस्टेयर्स। प्लीज माइंड योर स्टेप। Gate number 111 to 124 is this side. That's 118 right there, 119, 120 over there. Let's go. That's gate number 120. Time to board my flight and head back home.
भाई हमारा सामान लोड कर दिया ना?
क्या मालूम।
बेचारे खड़े हैं।
वापस आते आते हमारे ही गेट के मुख दर्शन प्राप्त होते हुए। विस्तारा में एयर इंडिया का लगेज कार्ट क्या कर रहा है? वो किसी का प्राइवेट जेट है शायद वहाँ पे।
विस्तारा किसको बिलोंग करता है?
मेरे को क्या मालूम।
टाटा को। एयर इंडिया किसको बिलोंग करता है?
किसको?
टाटा को।
हम किसको बिलोंग करते हैं?
इंडिया को।
तो ये तो मेरा हुआ ना फिर।
बट वो टाटा का है ना?
टाटा तो फिर मेरा ही ना। हम भी इंडिया, टाटा भी इंडिया। We are finally done. That is our aircraft, and we have reached the end of this huge There is an Air India Express there, a Singapore Airlines beyond that.
Air India Express नहीं है भाई.
ठीक है, Air India. Sorry, my mistake, Air India. And that is T2. वहाँ पे.
Terminal 2 T2 तो नाम है.
And these is
Other
our
abandoned Go Air, which I don't know when they will fly.
वो सब abandoned grounded है और ये अपना BMTC बस स्टैंड है.
Grounded है सारे जगह. पता नहीं कब हो रही है. मुझे मेरे निकालना है.
So Hitesh has gone to the washroom. I'll quickly collect our luggage in the meanwhile. कोई जगह तो दे दो. Yeah. चलो. मैं 7 आएगा तभी मैं चढ़ूँगा. 7 पे नहीं चढ़ना मेरे को. So this is it, folks. 10 days of rigorous Rajasthan exploration, all thanks to this guy. Thank you very much, guy. मेरे बिना ये हो ही नहीं सकता था. ये मैं on camera declare ही कर देता हूँ. We have been planning this for 5 years now. Right from 2018 we had started planning a trip to Rajasthan, but each year some or the issue kept cropping up and I couldn't come. He of course goes, it's his hometown. He has explored, like I said, some of these places. He has explored last year itself with his friends. So that helped us form a base. You know, we had some of my friends visited, some of his friends visited, and he also went. So we formed a base of sorts. All the plans came together. Finally, we said this year we are doing it. We started well before Christmas, and by the time we are done with it, we are well into New Year. And with this, the Rajasthan series is ending. And I hope you enjoyed this entire series. I loved recording it. This is the first series for the DJI Action 4. It's a camera which I got recently, and I had other plans for it, but inauguration इस trip में हो गया. एक अच्छा शगुन मान लेते हैं उसको. So I hope you enjoyed this entire series. We are ending it with this Namma Bengaluru board, and we'll be catching a bus from here to home. It's 11:44 on the clock. Our flight was, they said it arrived early, but by the time we got out, you know, everything, it took some time. We got our luggage at around 11:35, and luckily all the luggage is intact because we hopped flights at Hyderabad, so there is always that small, fear that the luggage might get misplaced. Recently one incident happened with one of our family members. I don't want to go into the details of that, but due to which we were on the alarm. So, but luckily we got all our luggages, they are intact. So with this, I'll end the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the Rajasthan series. I'll try to make such travel series more often. Whenever I go to any place, I'll try to explore a lot of new places. So now that I've got an action camera, hopefully traveling will become easier. And I'll catch you in the next videos. Standalone videos will be coming up. I have recorded a few throughout the trips, and I'll be following them up with the series. As soon as the last vlog ends, some standalone videos will come. So I hope you enjoy them too. Please do give your feedback in the comment section below. Let me know of your opinions. If you are new to the channel, if you like the content, please do subscribe. That will give me some encouragement. And also your comments are very valuable. I keep reading them. So don't hesitate to share your opinions. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care, stay safe, and bye. This is the new BMTC bus stand under the Terminal 2. What you're seeing right here. So you get free shuttle services from T1. The same Volvos act as shuttle from there to here. We boarded a K5 from T1 to T2. They don't charge you for that. All the buses have been shifted here for the last 1 week apparently, I think starting from Christmas. So this is just a quick update for those of you who want to catch a bus from KIL to your destinations. So they will pick you up from T1 and drop you here for free. From here you can board your respective buses. Buses are still starting from there, so I don't know how it works. This is the new bus stand apparently. So the T2 has its own BMTC bus stand right beneath the terminal.